This is Jeff from Adirondack Woodsman, and this is Adirondack Woodsman's mom. And we're going to take down those trees behind us today. So say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
She is 29 last week, so she looks really good for her age.
When Jeff was little, he put a lot of nails to make a tree for. I never thought he could do this.
Okay. Yeah, this tree I can't touch until I move it forward a little bit after. Okay. You can bring the strap over just in case, Gary. In case I need it. Oh, wait a minute. You're stepping into the field of view. That's what you were worried about. This thing was working pretty good yesterday, the pole saw. I didn't put the extra bar in because it's just too much weight. Put this in too. When it's cold outside. You know, battery's so much easier when you're doing this type of stuff because you don't gotta keep starting and stopping. When it's cold outside. If this thing falls, I'm not falling out of the basket. That's right. Okay, I'm coming down. Oops. You know, this will make a nice 6x6 or 8x8, so I'm going to cut it down below. I don't know how long that is, but it looks like a good log. You know, I wasn't sure, but I was afraid it was all just going to be busted apart, but it looks like pretty good wood. I'm going to use my real chainsaw for that. Okay.
There. Picture of you pulling up your bridges.
Yep, that'll get edited out in the final processing. Oh, you know what? I got a freaking flat tire. That's why it wasn't pushing very good. Dad, it's got a flat tire. That's why it wasn't pushing real well. I was trying to back up and I was having trouble backing up. I probably only want to go back to about here.
Okay.
So let me know when I get there.
Okay.
The wheels. Thank you, Richard. No, I'm going to maybe attack that one first, and then I can move the lift out of the way when we fall it. So. Outrunning you. Yeah, those are like too hard to do with this thing. We get 2 or 3 logs out of that one. This is what we ended up with. And over there, my dad's cleaning up some of the brush. We moved most of it out of here. But you can see that one stump there, the stump right there, stump right there, stump right there. We did 3 of them. So it worked pretty good, except at the very end. We couldn't really move it too much anymore because the lift had a flat tire. And the air was going out almost as fast as we put it in. So I'm waiting for the repairman to show up from Sunbelt Rentals and hopefully get this thing fixed, because I've got about 60 miles to drive to get home, and I'm not going to sit there and try to fill up the tire every 10 minutes. So, but anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate any comments. Have a great day.